When I was standing at the toolbox.
Yeah.
I didn't see you at all.
I was laying right there. You were like right. I was like,
and he just had to pin me down too. Like he was like, I mean, I'm
yeah, 2 others. What the f?
Kill house is a meat grinder. Your objective is take your bomb from your base and put it in the enemy space. Got it? Spawn
No!
right here. That thing is going all the way in the woods. Spawn in the woods, take the bomb here. Simple enough.
Sabotage.
Respawn. Got it?
Dim 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 dim.
Sound good?
Yep.
When was that? Side was open, back was open.
Who's
Who's got first pick?
I got first. What do you want?
We definitely want this side.
I
Yeah,
want
we
this
want
side.
this
You
side.
guys
Figures.
walk. I'll get you your bomb.
We need to get to
I'm a Mikey then. Quick.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
Hit!
He's hit.
ow! It's not fucking full out of the head!
Left side.
Holy
Sure, what's
shit.
your right? Watch the woods! Another shot!
Mike is out! Mike is out! Mike is down!
What's up, Mikey?
Mike's going to the left side. Mike's going to the left side. To the woods.
Ow, hit! He's hit!
Mike is down again!
Fuck you, Christian.
Come on, man! Fire hits! Finally! Fuck! Hit! Oh!
Parlay, you got
Good
parlay.
Parkour! And on the far left. 30 seconds! Mike.
We run back?
8, 7,
Run that way
6,
and shoot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!